Kanina, may nakita akong feather sa sahig. Isa lang. Pero naisip ko, may ibon na nawalan ito. Pero I'm pretty sure, lumilipad pa rin siya ngayon. Hindi siya napastop over sa drama station. Hindi siya nag-rant sa social media ng unfair. Life took my feather. Alam mo, tayo rin ganyan minsan. May nawawala. Pera, time, energy, tiwala. Tapos biglang feeling grounded na. But hey, feather lang yan. You didn't lose your wings. Lahat tayo may konting kulang. May pinagdadaan ng hiccup. Pero the mission continues. Life doesn't stop for a missing feather. So why should you? Keep flying. Keep showing up. Minsan, our grace is not in being perfect, but in moving forward kahit hindi buo.